Hello guys, this is Shubham Agarwal and in this video we'll discuss the best self-publishing platforms that are not KDP. First of all, we'll go with Draft to Digital. Draft to Digital is an amazing platform if you want to publish your ebooks. Okay, what are the pros of this platform? Like you can diversify your books. Like if you don't want to publish just on KDP alone, then you can use Draft to Digital. Maybe if your KDP account got terminated, then you can use this platform. If KDP Select is maybe not working for you and you want to try a different avenue, maybe just just publish once and submit your books to Apple iBooks and Kobo, Everend, etc. Then you can use Draft to Digital. What are the pros of this platform? This is free. Okay, best one you can use this platform for both ebooks and paperbacks. Fast publishing. Once published, your book will be live mostly in 24 to 48 hours. Also, if you have previously published on KDP or KDP Select, then you have to remove your book from KDP Select. Okay, this is good. One of the best platforms. I have been using this platform a lot, and I make over like $200-300 a month just from this platform from very little books. So this is a great platform if you want to diversify. The next one on the list is Publish Drive. The next one on the list is Publish Drive. Publish Drive is the same as Draft to Digital. However, they are not free. You have to you can check the pricing. It's like, I don't know, like 2.99 per book per month. The Abacus program, right? Otherwise, they have also a different program that you can use. Free start at 13.99 per month. They work the same as Draft to Digital. However, as you can tell, this is paid. Draft to Digital is free. However, they give you access to the Chinese market, which is very great to be important if you were to ask me. They also allow you to publish ebooks, paperbacks and audiobooks. So if you are looking any other company other than, let me just show you the book distribution of this platform. All these platforms like 400 plus stores, 100 plus countries, 240k plus libraries, 1 billion potential readers. So like a lot of this, it has a better distribution than Draft to Digital. However, they come with a price point. Okay, the next one on the list is Ingram Spark. Let me just show you. So this is Ingram Spark. It will distribute your ebooks and paperbacks free, but you will need an ISBN. If you are from countries other than US, then you will need an ISBN. Okay, it doesn't accept low quality books and like low content books also. And they also have a new catalog integrity guideline that you must follow for your book to be enabled for distribution. What are catalog integrity guidelines? They require a separate video of their own. Okay, as you can see, like how it works. Plan your book, promote, sell, print, pricing, resources, distribution. Let me just show you distribution. You can see your book will be around on all the stores of the world: independent bookstores, online stores, chain stores, ebook retailers, libraries, universities. So this is a very heavy platform. If you want to use, you can use this platform. I have made thousands of dollars using Ingram Spark in the past. So if you want to publish your paperback, I recommend this channel. The next one on the list is Lulu. Now Lulu is a great platform to publish paperback books. However, there is one of the problems that I find with Lulu is like if you have to personally order a book, like a physical copy of the book before it getting released. Okay, so and there will be a price of it. Like I released a book like 25,000 words and it was costing me around like $20 or something to ship it in my home country before getting it approved. Okay, if the printing goes sideways, you have to order it again. Or maybe if the platforms after that you can enable it, you can then publish it. However, the platforms will accept it or not is a secondary thing. Okay, so Lulu comes with a price point. However, you can publish spiral bound books on it, which is a great pros of it, this platform. Okay, now moving on to audiobooks, you will find these platforms very interesting. First one is Findaway Voices, and second one is Authors Republic. Both are great for audiobook distribution. Okay, I personally use this platform since I am not from US, UK, Ireland, and I guess from New Zealand for ACX. So if you want to distribute your audiobooks, you can use Find A Voices or Authors Republic. Both are great. Okay, distribution on both these platforms is free. If you want to diversify your audiobook distribution and don't rely just on ACX, then I highly recommend these platforms for your audiobook distribution. Next one on the list is Streetlib. Now Streetlib is same as Draft to Digital, and however, or recently they have started, you'll need to provide your own ISBN, I guess, and also you can publish both ebook and audiobooks, maybe paperbacks also. I'll have to check it once again. However, the first books that you publish, first 5 books that you publish, they will be thoroughly vetted by the team of Streetlib. Okay, so as you can see, they have a basic free plan and pro plan also. I used recently this free plan, and my first 5 books were thoroughly vetted before giving me before the restrictions were lifted on me for further publishing. Okay, so you can do in free version only ebook distribution only, no print or audiobook is allowed. Okay, earn up to 70% royalties in net revenue, non-exclusive, choose which platforms to activate or deactivate, does not include Amazon and major retailers. So this is one very big caveat. As you can see, in free one, you cannot include Amazon or any of the major retailers. Free forever, no subscription fees. However, in the pro plan, ebook, print and audiobook distribution is given to you, earn 85% royalty of the net revenue, pre-orders, marketing, tools, Write Unlimited. I haven't used this platform feature, but whatever, includes Amazon, major retailers, libraries and subscription, monthly retailer promos. So if you are thinking of using Streetlib, I'd recommend using this pro plan, because then only you will be able to access major retailers. However, if you just want to release ebooks for now, wide distribution, I suggest, and you don't have a lot of money, maybe the Draft to Digital is your best choice. And I will be releasing a course on publishing. If you are interested, be sure to check out the link in the description in the near future. Also, there will be a Facebook group for like-minded publishers. Once I get the things rolling, you can find the link in the description of this video. I hope you like this book. Hope you like this YouTube video. Once again, thank you, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.